Yeah, so I noticed this place on the way home. So I can recommend this place for a massage. Sukonya health massage. Love the name. Sukonya. So it's 6:15 in the morning. Yet again she's dragged me out of bed. So you see, just starting to get a light. See through some of the hedges. People have got fires going. Got a new table. Amanda's sister and brother-in-law brought it over in their pickup, gave it to us. So we've got to give that a coat or something to stop any damage. Yeah. So got someone rolled up on a bike. It's Saturday morning, all the road has been swept of cow shit and whatever, waiting for the monks to turn up. And that's where we are at the moment. This is like every Saturday morning the monks come, but yeah, as you can see through the trees, someone's got a fire going, making the sticky rice. So monks will roll up in pickups. They'll get out, and then everyone will give them something. And so it works. So people are starting to arrive now with the dogs. There's the dogs, look. Sawadee Krab. Good morning. He's a cheeky soy dog. I'll pretend I've got a catapult, they run like fuck. And now, mentioning that, I've got a catapult. So any soy dogs come in the garden now, they get a hard berry whacked to them. But I'll show you that at some stage. They don't half yelp. I haven't got one yet. The next door neighbours get them regular. But yeah, preparing. Okay, so we've got all the people down here, and we've got the monks arriving here. Right. Okay, so that's the monks. I've been given the food, and I'll give this to the men down here. Okay, so that's the monks. Sawadee Krab. All been given a few chocolate snacks from me, boiled rice from Amanda, and that is it. Back to my coffee, all done and dusted. So yeah, all finished. Sawadee Krab. So all the cows have done a stop off. The bloke was a bit late getting up here, so they're all eating people's gardens. It's quite funny to see. Come on cows, get a move on. I'll stop for lunch it is, and they're not in a hurry. So that's him, had his trees cut back. Oh no, we got a chicken, you see. It just don't stop getting so exciting living here. We got problems with the motorbike, that's why the cows are stopping off everywhere. Now they've moved into next doors. What are they munching on? Let's have a look. Oh, they're munching on this bamboo that I've been chopping down. I didn't know the cows like bamboo. Come on, cows. Oh, they're all having a good munches on this. Here we go, we got them on the go again. No, we haven't. We got the bike going anyway. How's the bamboo, mate? They're loving it. Yep, they're all having a good munches on this bamboo. I reckon I'm going to have to give them a load. But they're all happy. Got my friend the chicken down here. See? He's kicking them out now, he's not having any of it. That's it, they're on their way. They've been told. They've all gone. Come on, get out to other people's gardens, you lot. They're all ready for the munchies in the field. And another exciting start to the day. So Amanda's told me she can hear birds upstairs. So we're still doing a bit of tidying up. It seems never ending. But I think I've just about halfway cleaned up here now. But we'll see if a bird's got in, because we're supposed to have stopped them. Okay, so telltale signs, look. Got a couple of feathers. Have we got any bird shit on the floor? Let's have a look. Nope, not one bit of bird shit. And the floor's looking a lot better now this half. I mopped this yesterday, so a lot of the dust is gone. We have a window open. That's not good. Maybe the bird got out. I hope so, because I've got to mop this half of the thing. I've got to empty this cupboard and give it a wipe over, find a spot for it. But yeah, all pretty good. We've got a carpenter coming to look at these windows to seal them, and it should all be good. Obviously you got little gaps in the doors and whatever in the windows. Hopefully he's going to repair them too. But yeah, pleased about that. So from last night to this morning, No shit. Oh, what's that? Is that a fresh poo? Maybe I missed it with the mop. So we're going to give it a few more days. See if it stays clean up here. Hopefully we've stopped the bird. Let's tap the thing round. I've got a long brush here. So we'll give it a tap up there. Nothing. We'll give it a tap up this corner. That usually gets some flying around if they're up there. Nothing happening. So hopefully I can hear them on the roof clicking away, but they're not inside. So yeah, there's a big area up here that's not being used. There's them cockerels again. Yeah. So yeah. Hopefully that's the end of the birds. I can hear music coming. Not a clue what it's in aid of. Think they might be selling something. Not a clue what. Body cab. Hello. Body cab. I don't know what he's selling. So he stopped here. Amanda's showing him down the side, and he takes a bag of bottles away. So he's a bit of a tap man, getting the scrap. So that's good. Another bag gone. That's it. For a bag of plastic. Amanda's got more for him, and we just make some money off that. 5 baht. So we'll go out and spend that later. Okay, so I'm a fire starter. Just piled a load of junk up. You can see the start of my bamboo fence going up, but fire starting. And Amanda tells me I have fire number 2 down here, but I think I just moved that to here.
No, B.
Yeah. Okay, so we have fire going, and I'm a fire starter. And it seems to be burning quite well. I think I'm getting good at this. Now I can relax, have a coffee and watch my fire. That's my job for the day. No matter what I do, I say I'm going to have a day off. I'm going to have a day off doing nothing. And every day she makes me do something. She makes me work and work and work. But I have good fire. What do you think, Amanda?
Good, but don't big.
No, not but. Just say good.
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 เชียร์ นี่มองเขาเด็กๆ
Money, money, money.
No money, no honey.
ปลาฮาเล็ก
Fucking hell. It'd be like Coco the Clown sound, do you know what I mean?
Lady boy.
Mate. Clown
Bless him,
fetish.
he loves it, dog, he loves
Clown
it.
fetish. That's all I'm going to say.
Hey, watch him.
Should have brought one of my wigs, Dave.
What do you think? No good.
She's not she's not bothered.
She's thinking she should have aged.
ปลาปลาอยู่บุ้มบุ้ม
Hey.
Papa Bum Bum. No. Oh, let's rock it. Let's get this party started.
มีคำนึงนะ
What the?